crimp roll damage, right? Which is really post mint damage, right? The crimp roll machine are the machines at the mint sends the pennies to banks like Wells Fargo, Brinks, Loomis, and then they put the pennies into rolls, right? Federal wrapped rolls that go to the banks. And there's a machine at the end that closes the wrapper, and sometimes it'll make damage from having contact with the coin. And that's it. You see a circle? You see it there too. Nice circle. Please click like and subscribe.